Picture the dense jungles of South America. Large leaves and vines block the sunlight from penetrating down to the floor. Above you, monkeys howl to their troop members, and birds give welcoming chirps to their flock. All around you, the brush rustles with small mammals and insects, skirting along the forest floor. This is the Amazon rainforest, a wet tropical forest with lots of rain and warm temperatures year-round. Tropical rainforests are hotspots for biodiversity, also known as the variety of species in an area. The Amazon rainforest spans throughout South America, with the majority of it concentrated in Brazil. Rainforests are a type of biome, or a large geographic area with a specific climate. Although this lesson focuses specifically on the Amazon rainforest, there are other rainforests located all over the world along the equator. All rainforests share abiotic factors, or non-living characteristics, such as temperature, humidity, rainfall, and soil type. Temperatures range between 65 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit in the tropical rainforest. However, don't be fooled by these temperate temperatures. The humidity in the Amazon hovers around 85%, making it feel much hotter than what the thermometer reads. The high humidity creates a moist climate, perfect for flourishing plants. Rainfall is also common in the Amazon, and some areas can receive as much as 260 inches of rain per year. Surprisingly, the soil of the Amazon is actually quite lacking in nutrients. The sandy soils are very thin. However, due to the rapid turnover of organic material, plants and animals dying and quickly decomposing in the moist heat, these soils support an incredible array of vegetation. Tropical rainforests also share particular biotic factors, or living factors. Although some animals and plants are endemic only to the Amazon rainforest, all rainforests have a similar structure of life. The top layer of the rainforest is called the canopy. This area encompasses the very tops of trees, reaching up to 250 feet tall. The broad leaves of the canopy prevent much of the sunlight from reaching the forest floor, which in some areas remains almost completely dark. The understory is the next layer beneath the canopy. This layer is filled with vines, ferns, and small trees. The forest floor is the bottom and is covered with decomposing plant and animal material, especially fallen leaves. Although few plants grow at this depth, many animals, fungi, and bacteria make the dark forest floor their home. The Amazon's tropical rainforest ecosystem can be divided into layers, separating species based on how they get their energy. These layers are called trophic levels. Species can be divided into 4 trophic levels: producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Producers are organisms that make their own food, like green plants. These organisms are numerous in the tropical rainforest, a biotic factor that makes up most of the forest. Many types of trees produce delicious fruits adored by both humans and animals alike. Bananas, coconuts, cacao, and oranges all come from tropical trees in the Amazon. If you appreciate a hot cup of coffee in the morning, you can give your thanks to the producers of the Amazon. Coffee trees are native to this area, and some of the world's finest